Hi everyone. Today I'm in conversation with Shachi Jayal, who is from Dehradun. Hi Shachi, and I would like to ask you a couple of questions. So, before joining ICBI, what were you doing and where were you in life?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. I was actually doing some very basic content writing
Hmm.
before I joined ICBI.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
very creative of you.
yeah,
Could you describe the moment when you took that decision to enroll with us?
absolutely. I think I had been looking for something for a very long time, and the moment, I think the very moment was a conversation with the Kavita Bhalla ma'am. And that really helped me decide that this is it. The way she described the avenues and the scope and how it connected to my strengths
Right.
and my background. I think that is the very moment I mean, this was a flashlight on a moment for me, the
Lovely.
conversation with Kavita ma'am.
So share the moment when you decided to take the plunge. Did you have any fear or any kind of a doubt in your mind at that moment?
Uh, I think, ma'am, we all have fear or doubt when we start something new. But I think the way ICBI has conducted itself and everything was, the whole process was so, we were held, it was such hand holding was given to me with from Haspreet, from the entire Delhi team, that all those fears actually melted away. And when I entered the first classroom, I think, and met, I think, remember, I think Sangeeta ma'am,
Mm,
then it just completely changed everything. And I realized that, yeah, I've taken the best decision for my life.
how amazing. What kind of work are you doing at the moment, Shachi?
Ma'am, an independent consultant right now, and I'm conducting, I have found my niche to be holistic development, a development which is basically inside out. So I am also collaborating. I have recently conducted a workshop for an NGO on storytelling techniques and integrating data and storytelling. So storytelling is also my forte. And I'm also now collaborating with healers and emotional healers, basically,
Mhm.
because like I said, that I want to work on holistic personality development. So I really feel that if our emotions are also balanced well, our expression, our communication can improve tremendously. So
Hmm.
just melding these two together.
Wonderful. So, one last question. What would you say to somebody who is unsure or stuck or hesitant about making a decision? Maybe in the same place where you were at one point.
Ma'am, one thing I would tell you that learning should anyway be a lifelong process.
Right.
You should always be ready to learn something new. And especially if you get stuck somewhere in life, if you've taken a sabbatical or if you're in any sort of doubt, I think getting a new skill, getting a new certification, something as powerful as soft skills training or image management can do wonders to your profile and to your life, to your confidence. First of all, to your own self, to your own
Of course.
personality, your own confidence. And secondly, to your professional journey. It can add such great feathers to your professional journey. It has worked for me and it will work for anybody. I mean, I had some sort of experience, but I know that I started completely afresh after so many years.
So you think that it's meaningful to do something which can enhance your learning and from learning your confidence.
Absolutely, ma'am. 100% sure about, even don't keep an iota of a doubt, because you're not going in for an organization or for an institution which is you don't have to have a doubt on that, because this organization ICBI comes with this amazing network of trainers who will guide you through, and the before and after journey also of ICBI is what makes all the difference. Nobody is going to leave you. You're always going to be looked after.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. And Shachi, it was lovely talking to you. And I wish you all the very best for your thriving profession as a soft skills trainer with ICBI. Thank you once
Thank you
again.
so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity.